Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 divide 6 is equal to 1. Okay. Then again 6 divide 6 is equal to 1. Now 1 divide by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a order of operation. Okay. So here is a one division, and also one division. So all have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this division, then this division, and then this. Okay. So first we have to solve start from this division. So 6 divided 6 is equal to 1. Divide 6 divide 6. Now 1 divided 6 can be written as 1 by 6. Okay. Divide 6. Now according to KCF rule, K means skip, C means change, F means flip. So keep this first fraction as it is, same. So 1 by 6. Change this sign from multiplication, from division to multiplication. Okay. And flip this fraction. So flip this 6 is equal to 1 by 6 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. Therefore 1 by 36 is the correct answer. Okay, 1 by 36. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.